My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, y'all, and it is keto. It is thick and creamy and costs less than a pack of gum, so let's go. Quest saw this recipe and started crying in the group chat. Same amount of protein and same milkshake thickness, but mine only cost 52 cents. That is right, y'all, 52 cents. I am basically the Robin Hood of protein. Real Quest tub right now, 35 bucks. My entire 20 serving tub, $12 and some change. That is like half the price of a tub of Quest. I know math is hard, y'all, but savings are easy. Full recipe down below, but real quick. Whey concentrate, little bit of isolate, erythritol, make it rain, y'all. Allulose, salt, yes, salt, it's in the secret sauce. Salt it like you're salting your ex's tears. Don't at me, you guys. Tiny bit of xanthan, stevia, and vanilla powder. That is it. No mystery chemicals and no $40 price tag. Now we're going to stir all these together now that we have them measured up. All right, y'all, if you could smell this, it smells heavenly. This is going to be Kandi's Whey protein. Smells delicious. Now we could stop here and drink it as a protein shake, but we're going to take it one step further. We're going to make a milkshake. All right, y'all, get ready to bring those boys to the yard. So we are going to start with 1.5 to 2 cups of ice. Then we're going to do 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of heavy cream, or you can do a cup of any other liquid. If you want almond milk, you can, but I don't want that. Then we're going to put our protein powder, you guys. That is it. Let's make it happen. Look at this, you guys. That is thicker than my thighs in 2019. Oh my Lord. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yum. Yum. That is good stuff. This is a good shake, you guys. I feel like I just cheated on Quest, and I'm not even sorry about it. This is stupid good, you guys. It is so delicious. Cold and creamy and salty perfection. This same exact mix is going to make cookies and cakes and brownies and ninja creamies. I literally will never have to buy protein powders again. I'm out here printing money and making milkshakes. Full recipe and Amazon links for all the products I used today are going to be in the description down below. So make it and tag me. I want to see y'all's thick milkshakes out there. And hit that like button if 52 cents for a serving of protein powder just changed your life. And don't forget to subscribe or I'll come over there and drink your milkshake. I will see you in the next one, y'all. Now go and make Kandi's Whey protein and thank me later. Bye.